If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Facebook, this guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Follow these steps to manage your subscriptions and prevent unwanted charges. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Access your Facebook account by entering your credentials on the website or app. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the subscriptions you want to manage. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page or the menu icon in the app. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment section. Click on it to view your payment settings, including any active subscriptions or recurring charges associated with your account. Step 4. Manage your subscriptions. Within the Payments section, find the Manage Subscriptions option. Here, you will see a list of all your active subscriptions. Click on the subscription you wish to cancel to view more details. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. After selecting the subscription, look for the option to cancel it. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation messages to ensure the subscription has been successfully stopped. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any recurring charges on Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Facebook support for help.